Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum as we're heading into a new trading week. I already tidied up a little bit the chart, took some of the lines out that are not relevant anymore. I'm also going to take out this resistance area. I'll leave the support and scaling in areas still here because they are, in my opinion, still relevant. But yeah, you know what we talked about in the previous video here is still the case. Talked about still this being possible, well, most likely a WXY pattern after we failed to rally yesterday. You remember we looked at the chart. Was it yesterday actually? Yeah, I think it was, wasn't it? Or yeah, it was yesterday, where we had this small rally here, and this could have become a 1, 2, 3, and we reached the 1.618 extension, so all good. But then we failed to hold wave 4 support, and I told you that should we fail to hold wave 4 support, it's probably not gonna happen, the rally. And then in the end, this was in my opinion a wave wave X, as already explained in the previous video here. A WXY pattern is a more complex corrective wave pattern. So we came down in this WW, moved up in the X wave, and this is most likely now just an ABC, wave A, B, C. And this is confirmed by the strong decline that we can currently observe here. We're still hovering just around support here of this wave A low at 1263. But if we drop below 1263, it's most likely going to take us again into this support area. That is currently still what I would primarily believe. Also talked about that in the previous video, that I still think this is a WXY pattern in addition to, or in line with what I expect for Bitcoin as well, that we are gonna see one more low here in a C wave really. Okay, and there were two reasons for that. One reason was that we really only touched the support area here, then that the C wave of this first decline was a bit too short, and there was a third reason actually, and that was that we didn't rally in 5 waves, and that the whole movement just looked corrective. A lot of overlaps, nothing too convincing, and it's looking good. We seem to be coming down now. So unless there is, again, similar to Bitcoin, unless there is now a screaming bullish 5-wave move rally above the 1284 level, this wave B high and this wave X high, my view is heading lower into this region, which is located between 1237 and 1257. And again, that is based on the Fibonacci support levels of this wave 1. And here we're looking at the area between the 50% Fib level and the 78.6% Fib level between 1257 and 1237. Okay, and we can also look at what is the ideal target for this move to the downside actually. I'm just thinking, is there another way to label this? And there is, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but it doesn't change the target really. So we are looking here at the length of the wave W, and we go to the high of the X wave, and the target would be the 1-to-1 ratio is 1248. That would be the ideal target. So it's pretty much in the middle of this support area. Okay, that would be the ideal target. We don't need to get to the ideal target. I think as long as we are coming at least here to 1257 again, the scenario is basically fulfilled. Theoretically, the wave 2 could already be in because we touched the support area here, but I'm not convinced about that, right? I'm not convinced about that. I'm rather looking at lower here first before we have a chance to rally here in the wave 3 that could take us to around 1380, 1380 US dollars, and then higher as well. I just need to move those waves across, as those movements all take a bit longer. So yes, or pretty much, following the primary expectation at the moment would be ideal to go a bit lower, just because it was not a perfect correction yet. The move up was pretty corrective. Yes, there is a different way of labeling it, and I think we could even say the wave X was here. Let me think. And then that all of this was a wave A. The B wave was the triangle, and then we rallied in a C wave. It would be a short C wave. And then we're coming down now. You know what? I like the other count better. it fits better from, you know, looking at the proportions. Yeah, that works better. Okay, and also considering the impulsive sell-off now, because if this is a wave Y, yeah, we've got an ABC, and after such a strong B wave, you normally get a very, very strong C wave decline. So I'm looking forward to seeing if we actually hit the support area. I hope you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.